guys, welcome to my channel. This is Patricia. I make videos on fashion and lifestyle. I love fashion and I love makeup, so whenever I buy a new product, I try to make videos so that I can share with you. And today I'm going to try a new hair tool, that is Revlon Jumbo Hair Waver. And this hair tool is so popular that they sold out way before Christmas, so I had to wait for this. And I bought this from Amazon. I paid $18 for this. So the box came like this. This is damaged, but I don't know that if the product is good inside. On the box I can see that this says fast heat up for 20°F, high heat for fast styling and optimal result. And they also gave direction for heat level 1 to 6 for fine thin color treated hair, 7 to 14 for medium to wavy hair, 15 to 22 curly to thick hair, and 23 to 30 for coarse hard to style hair. And this is ceramic coating, which is good. And to the side I can see all the features, so let's open it. This box is so tight that I literally have to wring the box to take the product out. My skin is dry, my hair is dry, so I usually don't use any heating tool for my hair, but I saw women using this waver on the internet and that attracted me to buy this. So let's try this on. The waver came with this little booklet and this gives all the instructions, so I will keep it. This is the waver. Here you see there is a hook to unlock the clamp. You open like this, use it, and then lock it again. And there's a switch to turn on and turn off, and you can change the heating level. So I will turn this on, and I set this to heat level 6, and both sides of this waver gets hot, so you have to be careful when you use it. And you know what, the funny thing is, whenever I get ready, my cats are always around me and they start playing with my makeup, so I try to be very careful when I use any hot tool because I don't want them to be injured. This tool is really very hot. I can feel the heat on my face from this far. So should I put this for 10 seconds? I'm gonna place it here. So let's do this piece. This waver is heavy and I'm trying to have loose curls, so I'm not keeping it for a long time. This is big and I was about to burn my ears twice, so I'm being careful. I don't know if I'm doing it right. This is taking a way longer than I thought. Maybe that's why I lost my patience. See, this is why it's taking so long. I'm keeping this for 10 seconds. Another 10 seconds. Another 10 seconds. My hair is long, so it's taking longer. Another 10 seconds. And another 10 seconds. And another 10 seconds. It's taking more than a minute to do one strand. So guys, here's the final result, and I did not use hairspray, that's why it doesn't look very tight curl, and I wanted to have like natural beachy wave and a lot of volume. After I did my curl, I just used my finger to comb my hair so that I have the natural curly wavy look, and I love this look. This tool is big and heavy. This product really does the job nicely. This is $18 and you can change the heating level, which is very good. And I think that this would be an amazing tool for people who have shorter to medium hair, but this is not friendly for long hair. And I spent more than a minute to do tiny section of my hair, and my hair is long, that's why it took so long. And this tool is heavy, so when I was doing my hair it took longer and my arm was hurting and I lost my patience almost. So this is another downfall, and you know that the barrels are big, so it creates more heat and that makes me sweat. I would suggest you to be more careful when you use this because it's heavy and creates more heat. You don't want to burn your ears or face. And I really thought that this would cut off my hairstyling time, but actually not. It took a way longer, so I'm not a big fan of this. This is $18, does the job. So if you have shorter or medium hair, then you can grab it, but if you have longer hair like me, then this is not the best thing. That is my personal opinion. So this product is not so great for me, that I can say, but this didn't work for me. It doesn't mean that it will not work for you. If you have shorter to medium hair, then yes, this would be amazing for you. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.